Hello once again, everybody. I did a video a couple hours ago and changed my brand to beer. Then I went in, I was watching the news, and I was watching some other videos and stuff of other celebrities, musicians mainly, pulling Bud Light off the shelves. So what they're saying is this Bud Light. It's not necessarily Anheuser-Busch, the whole corporation. All right. From what I can see, it's telling me that it's Bud Light, and which I agree. Okay, you can, shut this off at any time because I don't care. But anyway, um, from what I can tell, it's that new vice president of marketing for Bud Light only, not the whole corporation. So I don't know where really to go to from there. My understanding is Alicia, or whatever her name is, has been fired. They lost $4 million overnight, which is, well, you can expect that, of course. But so I'm not really sure which way to go. I don't know. I'm not woke, that's for sure. Look, I'm an old hippie, and when we did bad, we got our ass whipped. That's the way it was, and a lot of it needs to go back there. But on the other hand, this this stuff with Anheuser-Busch, I don't think you should blame the whole corporation. They put some stupid bitch in the head of marketing, which is, it looked like she just came out of high school. She's a kid. She's a punk. She doesn't know what the hell she's talking about. All right. So I'm not really sure, which way to go. So you guys leave me comments and let me know, because I'm stupid about this. I don't know about woke because, like I said, I'm an old hippie and I could give a shit about it. I do what I do. But if some little gay bastard comes around my house, well, we'll have a long talk. That's for sure. Anyway, I just wanted to come back and tell you that I don't appreciate what this world is turning into. All these companies are looking towards transgender, and I don't understand. I just don't get it. What the hell is that all about? What are they trying to do? Stop the population? Because if that's what it is, that's what's happening. They're stopping population. And I don't know what else to say about it. So just somebody help me out here and just leave your comments down into the bottom there. And I don't know. We'll go from there. Thanks.